Fijian legend has it that the greatest of all Fijian gods was Degei, the snake god. According to the legend, before men walked the earth, Degei's only companion was Turukawa, the majestic hawk. Neither could speak with each other, yet they were the closest of companions who were guardians of the islands. On a rare occasion, Degei could not find Turukawa and searched high and low for her, only to find her building a nest, totally ignoring him. Forlorn, he retreated to the sea, wondering what could have brought on this sudden change. When he visited Turukawa's nesting site the next day, he was alarmed to find her gone, with only 2 eggs in the nest. It dawned on him that Turukawa had found a mate, and he had lost her affection. He took the eggs to his home and protected them with his body. After several weeks of nurturing them, 2 tiny human bodies hatched out of the eggs. They became Degei's children. Degei sheltered them in a vesi tree and nurtured them with scraps of food he gathered. This is one of the many wonderful stories of how Fiji was created. The legend collection by Bulalicious weaves this legendary tale of affection and creation into every element of their unique pieces. From the hand-designed prints to the sleek designs and sophisticated workmanship of the garments, the collection is inspired by the legend of Degei. Each garment uses the most technologically advanced fabrics, and there is an equal emphasis on functionality as well as style. The influence of Degei is unmistakable in many of the garments in this collection. Inspiration also comes from the hawk feathers of Turukawa and the subtle branches of the vesi tree. Bulalicious is committed to providing clothing with a conscience. We aim to create activewear that not only empowers and motivates females to be fit and active, but that also enables them to feel that they have made a personal contribution to the people and causes within the Pacific. Bulalicious has partnered with Cure Kids Fiji for their legend collection and will donate proceeds from the sale of this collection to help save young lives in Fiji. Pneumonia in children and severe newborn illnesses for which oxygen is a life-saving treatment are leading causes of death in Fiji. Cure Kids is working with a team of international experts and Fiji's Ministry of Health and Medical Services to pilot new ways of reliably producing and supplying oxygen to health facilities Fiji-wide. The shared goal, the one we are supporting through this collection, is to ensure that no child dies from a lack of oxygen. The compassionate spirit of Degei lives within all of us. Degei raised those children as its own, without the need for praise or gratitude, just because it was the right thing to do. We all have a responsibility to the next generation to provide young people with the best opportunities, much as Degei provided for the 2 children. In partnership with Cure Kids Fiji, Bulalicious Activewear is committed to nurturing and supporting those children who need it the most. We nakawakalebu for your support.